Indian forms of classical dance. So my pleasure to welcome Madam and her team to perform and also to teach us few steps under the banner of Roots to Roots, which is doing great job in all category areas in spreading the message of various arts and making the children have some affinity towards art forms. So I welcome the team and request them to take the stage.
Yes? Payam is Kathakali. Yes, correct. Kathakali. What else? Kuchipudi. Very good. Yes. Then Kathak. Yes. Then of course we have Odissi. Then there are two dance styles from the northeast of our country. Natyam is from Tamil Nadu. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam is from where? Kerala. Odissi is from? Kuchipudi is from? Andhra Pradesh. Yes. Kathak is from? Kathak is from the north, west and the southern part of our country. In Odisha, these dancers were called the Maharis. What were they called? Maharis. Yes. So there is a small, very interesting story as why the name Mahari came. So we all know that Jagannath is a form of Lord Krishna. Yes, very good. So Lord Krishna, when he was a baby, when he was a young boy, he was a cowboy, correct? Yes. So a cowboy or a gopher was called a Mahar in Odia. What was he called?
जन्म काले तेंतुड़ी सा